Hey everyone! Welcome back to Rust Tutorials, where we explore the world of programming and dive deep into different coding techniques. My name is Ida, and today we have an interesting topic lined up for you. We'll be talking about a fluent interface pattern in Rust and how it can make your code more readable and flexible. So, what exactly is a fluent interface and how does it work? Well, a fluent interface allows you to chain method calls, creating a more specialized language, some would even say a domain-specific language. To showcase this concept, we'll be implementing a simple fluent interface in Rust using an address struct. Let's have a look. And we'll put the address struct right here. Here we have a basic address struct with fields for street, number, city and country. Now let's dive into the implementation. And I promise you that won't be too difficult. I'll make this a little bigger so you can see the whole thing. We've implemented a set of methods here for our address struct, starting with the constructor, the new method, so to say, that creates an empty address. Each method, such as street, number, city and country, modifies the corresponding field and returns a mutable reference to the struct itself. As you can see, here we have the street method. It is a method, it gets a mutable reference to the struct itself as a parameter and returns an equally mutable reference to the struct as a return value. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. As you can see, implementing a fluid interface in Rust is straightforward and can lead to more readable code. The fact that we return a mutable reference to self, and it is a mouthful, I know, means that we can chain the methods. Let's see if we can really do that by testing this thing. Here we have the main method. Well, we implement the main method. We create an address, an empty address this time, and then we modify it using method chaining. You can see we first call the street method, then the number method, then the city, then the country method. And then we print it out. That is why we needed to debug attribute here. We could of course do it differently, but this is fastest and easiest. And there you have it. Our fluent interface is working as expected, providing a clear and concise way to set up an address. In conclusion, while fluent interfaces can enhance code readability and flexibility, it is essential to consider the trade-offs. While it may be suitable for our example, it might not always be the best choice, and could even lead to unwieldy change of method calls, increasing complexity. Always assess whether it fits the specific needs of your code. That's it for today. That's it for today's exploration, in fact, of fluent interfaces in Rust. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content and ring the bell to get notified about our future programming adventures. Thanks for tuning in and happy coding!